So Lola Nora has taken 1 sheet of phyllo dough, some melted butter, and we have our filling here, and she is brushing the first sheet of phyllo dough with melted butter. Next, we are taking another sheet of phyllo dough, and we're placing it on top of the phyllo dough that we just brushed with melted butter. And we're gently laying it on top of it and patting it down. Okay, it's important to keep your phyllo dough covered as you're working with it. And now we're going to brush our second layer of phyllo dough with more butter. Now we're using a pizza cutter, and we are cutting 3 sections lengthwise on our phyllo dough. There we go. Now we are taking a heaping tablespoon of the spinach, feta cheese, mushroom, onion mixture that we sauteed with fresh dill, and we are putting it in the corner of one of the strips of phyllo dough, and we're going to roll it in triangles, sort of like you would roll the American flag when you take it down from the flag post. So we are rolling it. There we go. Into these cute little triangle packets. And it's going to be delicious. If you have a little flap, brush it with a little bit of melted butter, and that should seal it and do the trick. You know, you can never have enough butter, and we're brushing the top of it with butter as well.